Do you want to know how to use Paint in Windows 11 to remove a background? I'll show you how. First, in Windows, you can click on the Start button and then go to Paint. Hold your Control on keyboard and zoom in and out. You can zoom in and out the canvas. Over here, click on File on the top left corner and import to canvas a file. I'm just going to use any image that I have, the Morgan Freeman image. Now we want to remove the background from it. Under the Image tab, you're going to find this Remove Background. Click on it, and it's going to remove the background from our subject. Now maybe you want to remove the background of a particular element from the image. On the Selection tab, just click on this drop down rectangle, go inside by Control and zoom in. I'm going to click here and drag till I selected this, and I'm going to remove the background from here. This will remove the background of this object from the whole image, and now I can move it and put it anywhere I want. Like I can put it over here, and I will leave it like this. I can also drag, scale this image up and down. Now, as long as the object is selected, you can move it around. But if you let go of the object, like if you click somewhere else, it's going to be set there, and now you can no longer move it. So you need to make sure to move it at the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found the video helpful.